Hello, welcome to math. This is week 1. Our topic is A. We will have a letter for every week or every different topic. This topic is labeled A. That way, if you're in Google Classroom and wondering what we're on, everything for A is the same topic. And then we'll go through A day 1, A day 2. So today is A day 1, and our topic is 1/10 of or 10 times the value. The word of can also mean times. So in essence, I'm saying 1/10 times or 10 times the value of something. Every week, you're going to have several I can statements. These may be things that you've already been taught in previous grades or this year. So later in the year, it may be something that I'm teaching you this week that I'm asking you to recall and try to remember. And then it's also going to be things that I'm teaching you on the current topic. If you can say that, yes, I can do all of your I can statements, then by the assessment, you should do well. This week's I can statement: I can recognize the place values of different digits to the left of the decimal. I can recognize the place values of different digits to the right of the decimal. We call that the THS side. That was made up here in Southview. You're not going to find that somewhere on the internet. It's the THS side. And it's because things on that side has a th on the end. 10th, 100th, 1000th. All right? And it just helps us kind of remember the THS side. Your next one is I can determine the value of a digit by what place it is in. I can recognize the same digit in one place represents 10 times what it represents in the place to its right. And I can recognize that the same digit in one place represents 1/10 of what it represents in the place to its left. So those are your personal I can statements. You do have a copy of this on Google Classroom under Materials. Here is a reminder of your place values. You learned this last year: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Everything to the left of the decimal. This year we will also be concentrating on the right of the decimal. Again, they all end in THS. Tenths, thousandths, 10,000ths. I also wrote them in numerical form. And if you notice, it's just adding a 0 each time going left. Going right, it's basically, you could say, moving the decimal point to the left. Also, I'm showing decimal and fraction form. We will be dealing with both this year. Here is an example, like in this number, 5,876, the 5 is in the thousands. This number, the one on bottom, is 587 and 6/10. The decimal is pronounced or is said as the word and. The 5 in the top number is in the thousands, and the 5 in the bottom number is in the hundreds. So in that case, the 5 in the top number is 10 times the value of the 5 in the bottom number. You could also say the 5 in the bottom number is 1/10 the size of the 5 in the top number. Now, since these numbers both have all the same digits in all the same order, 5, 8, 7, 6, and they have each moved, to look at the bottom, one place to the right, you can say the top number, 5,876, is 10 times the bottom number, 587 and 6/10. Or you could say the bottom number is 1/10 the top number. So that is all we're going to review in this video. I do have information for you, and I also have an assignment on progress or classroom, Google Classroom for you to